Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I am Cora.
And I am David. We are so happy you are here today.
Today, we have a very special episode for you. We are talking about English vocabulary for beginners.
That is right, Cora. Many people tell me, David, English is so hard. There are too many words.
I hear that too. But friends, listen to me. You do not need thousands of words to start speaking. You just need the right words.
Exactly. We want to help you feel confident. We want to help you enjoy learning.
So, David, let's start with a daily life conversation. Imagine we are at a cafe.
I love cafes. Let's do it.
Okay, I am the waitress and you are the customer.
Ready.
Hello, good morning. What would you like to drink?
Hi, can I have a coffee, please?
Sure, small, medium, or large.
A medium coffee, please. And how much is it?
It is $3. Anything else?
No, thank you. That is all.
Great. Your coffee will be ready in a minute.
Thank you.
Okay, stop. Let's look at the words we used there. David, what were the easy words in that talk?
Well, we used hello, please, and thank you. Those are the big three.
Yes. If you know hello, please, and thank you, you can travel almost anywhere.
And we used how much. That is a very important phrase for beginners. If you want to buy something, you say how much.
Right. Repeat it with us, friends. How much?
How much? Very good.
Now, David, let's talk about vocabulary for the home. What are some easy words for things we see every day?
Let's see. Table, chair, bed, door, window.
Those are perfect. Beginners, here is a tip. Take small pieces of paper. Write the word table on one. Put it on your table. Write door and put it on your door.
Oh, I love that. It is like a game. Every time you open the door, you see the word door.
Yes, this is how you learn without stress. You just look at the word every day.
That is great for reading practice. But what about listening? How can beginners practice listening?
Listening is all about music and movies. David, do you like music?
I love music. I listen to songs every morning.
For beginners, I suggest children's songs or very slow pop songs. The words are simple and they repeat a lot.
That is true. Repetition is the secret. If you hear the word love 20 times in a song, you will never forget it.
Exactly. And don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just listen for the words you do know.
That is a good point, Cora. People get sad when they don't understand everything. But it is okay. Even understanding 10% is a win.
Yes, celebrate the 10%.
Now, Cora, what about writing? Writing feels very scary for many students.
It doesn't have to be. For writing practice, start with a sentence of the day.
Just one sentence?
Yes, just one. For example, today is a sunny day, or I ate an apple. That is very easy. Anyone can do that. Right. If you write one sentence every day, in 1 month, you have 30 sentences. That is a big success.
I like that. It builds confidence, and confidence is the most important thing in English.
It really is. David, why do you think people lose confidence?
I think they are afraid of making mistakes. They think, if I say the wrong word, people will laugh at me.
Friends, listen to David. No one will laugh at you. Most people are happy that you are trying to speak their language.
Yes, mistakes are just proof that you are learning. If you don't make mistakes, you aren't trying anything new.
Well said. Let's look at some action words now. Verbs.
Verbs are the engine of the sentence.
They are. Let's give our friends 5 easy verbs for today.
Okay, number 1, eat.
Number 2, drink.
Number 3, go.
Number 4, sleep.
And number 5, like.
Let's make sentences with these. I eat bread.
I drink water.
I go to the park.
I sleep at night.
I like English.
I hope everyone likes English. See how easy that was? Subject, verb, object.
It is like building with blocks. You just put the pieces together.
Cora, let's talk about speaking. How can a beginner practice speaking if they live alone?
This sounds funny, but talk to yourself.
To myself?
Yes. When you are cooking, say, I am cutting an onion. I am boiling water.
I do that sometimes. It helps my brain think in English.
Exactly. You are training your brain to find the words quickly.
That is so helpful. It's like a workout for your mouth and your mind.
Speaking of workouts, let's do a quick repeat after me section. Are you ready, friends? David will say a word and you say it out loud. Let's go. Word 1, apple. Pause. Good. Word 2, happy.
Pause. Word 3, friend. Pause.
Word 4, school.
Pause. Word 5, family. Pause.
Excellent. You are speaking English right now. How does it feel?
I hope it feels great. You are doing a wonderful job.
David, let's talk about the big why. Why should someone learn English?
English opens doors. It helps you get a better job. It helps you make friends from different countries. And it helps you understand the world.
That is a lot of motivation. When things get hard, remember your why.
And remember that you are not alone. There are millions of people learning just like you.
We are a big family of learners.
Now, Cora, we promised 3 simple tips at the end of the podcast. Should we give them now?
Yes, let's do it. Tip number 1, use labels. Like we said before, put stickers on things in your house. Table, chair, mirror, fridge. Look at them every day.
Tip number 2, listen for 15 minutes every day. Listen to a song, a podcast like this one, or a short video. Even if you don't understand, just let the sound of English enter your ears.
And tip number 3, don't be perfect. Be brave. Say the words even if you are not sure. It is better to speak with mistakes than to stay silent.
Those are such good tips. I hope our friends find them useful.
I think they will. David, I feel so proud of everyone listening today. You took the first step.
You really did. Learning a language is a journey, and you have started that journey today.
We should do more of these, David. Maybe next time we talk about shopping vocabulary?
Oh, I love shopping. That sounds like a great plan.
Okay, friends, that is all for today.
Thank you so much for joining us. You are doing amazing. Keep practicing.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye. Goodbye. Remember, you can do it. Yes, you can. See you soon. Hello again. Wait, David, I just thought of one more thing. What is it, Cora? We should tell them about the notebook method. Oh, tell me more. Carry a tiny notebook in your pocket. Whenever you see a new word, write it down. Just the word.
That is smart. Then when you get home, you can look up the meaning.
Exactly. It makes you a word hunter. You are always looking for new English words in the world.
I am going to start being a word hunter today.
Me too. Okay, now we are really going.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.
Wait, I forgot my coffee.
Here you go, David. Let's go.
Thanks, Cora. Bye, friends.
Goodbye.
Sound of fading footsteps.
Hello, friends. Just checking in one last time. Did you repeat the words? Good.
We are so happy you stayed until the end. This shows you are serious about learning.
It really does. Remember, apple, happy, friend. Simple words are beautiful.
They are. They are the building blocks of your new life in English.
We will see you very soon. Have a wonderful day.
Have a great day, friends.
Bye. Bye. Hello, friends. I hope you are still there. I wanted to add a small note about reading.
Yes, Cora, we talked about listening and writing, but reading is important too.
For beginners, don't start with a big book like Harry Potter. It is too hard.
What should they read then?
Read picture books for children. They have big pictures and only a few words. It helps you understand the story without a dictionary.
That is a great idea. Or read the news in simple English websites. They use the easy words we talked about.
Exactly. Reading helps you see how words fit together. It's like seeing the map of the language.
Map of the language. I like that. You are very poetic today, Cora.
I am just excited. I want everyone to feel the joy of English.
Me too. It's a gift that keeps giving.
Okay, now we are truly finished.
For real this time?
Yes, for real.
Okay. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.
Happy learning. Stay brave.
Stay curious.
And most importantly,
Have fun.
hello, friends. One last tiny thing. Don't forget to practice hello with a smile. It makes a big difference.
It really does. People are much nicer when you smile.
Okay, we are leaving now. Bye.
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 Seriously, goodbye now.
Bye. Hello, friends. We are so glad you are practicing. Keep it up. You are a star.
A shining star. See you later.
Bye.
Goodbye.